Hello everyone, I am Som Juneja and this is my project protocolZero, an autonomous agentic service bus for smart contract security. Let me begin with the pitch deck that in 2023, over $3 billion was stolen from smart contracts. The reason? Security vulnerabilities that could have been prevented. Traditional smart contract audits are a nightmare. They cost around 10k to 50k dollars per contract. They take weeks to complete. They require expensive security specialists. And for most developers, they are simply out of reach. Now, what if we could automate this entire process using AI? Meet protocolZero, the first autonomous agentic service bus for smart contract security. Let us go to the live version of the app itself, and here is it. Instead of using disconnected tools, protocolZero has an AI manager agent that orchestrates three specialized tools. First is the GitHub fetcher that pulls code from any repository. Second is a security analyzer that detects critical vulnerabilities. And the third one is a blockchain deployer that only deploys safe contracts. Built on Null Shot's agent framework with Grok Slama 3.3, protocolZero brings enterprise-grade security to everyone for free. Now let me show you how it works with the help of some simple commands. Like I've written some set of commands which I can use, so like the time on demo will not be wasted. Hello, what can you help me with? And it will give me a description about itself, like what it can do. Now let us straight begin with some task. Like what can we do first is like we can fetch a real smart contract. I'm asking protocolZero to grab the ERC20 interface from OpenZeppelin's repository. And there it is. The agent autonomously passed my request, called the GitHub API, fetched the actual Solidity code, and it is even asking me that should we analyze it for security issues. This is autonomous orchestration in action. The AI understands my intent and guides me through the workflow. Let us proceed with the next command. We can use this command to let me just add it. And for the real power, we can do security analysis with our project. That is, I'll give it a contract with a classic re-entrancy vulnerability, the same bug which caused the infamous DAO hack. Look at this response. One critical issue, re-entrancy vulnerability detected. One medium issue, missing access control. Recommendation, do not deploy. Like you can read it here that critical issues found, like re-entrancy vulnerability and a medium issue found, and then recommendation, do not deploy. But what makes protocolZero special is that it doesn't just flag errors, it explains them conversationally. Let me ask a follow-up question to it. How would an attacker exploit this re-entrancy vulnerability? Perfect. It's maintaining conversation context and explaining exactly how the attack would work, why the balance update order matters, and even suggest fixes. This is teaching developers security in real time, not just static running analysis. And let me tell you that nothing of this project is hard coded, it is all fetching in real time. Now, let us move to the next command and let me just end this. Let us test. Now, with this command, we are testing a properly secured contract with OpenZeppelin's re-entrancy guard. Excellent. Zero critical issues. The agent recognizes the security measures and recommends safe to deploy. protocolZero distinguishes between vulnerable and secure patterns. It's smart enough to understand good security practices. Let us see some more commands like what all it can do. If I want to learn something related to the security and protocols, I can just ask it and it will send me a detailed explanation of it. And like as I told you earlier, it can fetch contracts from the GitHub repository with the specific branch name. Like I told it on branch V 4.9.0 and it successfully fetched contracts and it even asked me what would you like me to do next. So this was about my project and let us go to the end of the slide deck and let me tell you more about the technical implementation of this project, which you can see on the GitHub as well, but I'm explaining here also. So basically what I use is the agentic service bus pattern. At the center is a manager agent powered by Grok's Llama 3.3, one of the fastest AI model available. This agent parses natural language into structured JSON commands, orchestrates tool execution autonomously, and makes security first deployment decisions. Then the security analyzer checks for A plus vulnerability patterns, reentrancy, access control issues, integer overflows, unchecked calls, and more. And it's all deployed globally on Cloudflare workers with durable objects giving us sub 100 millisecond response times from anywhere in the world. This is what Web3 needs: accessible security that doesn't compromise on quality. Built for null shot hacks using the null shot agent framework, Protocol Zero is open source and live right now. You can try it on the link I given in the Daro hacks as well as the null shot platform, and let us make Web3 safer together. Thank you.